If my team didn't have Pluralsight, we would crash and burn. Is that too extreme?
Everyone's excited that we made this investment, and they definitely want to make sure we keep it around for many years.
The best feedback is that associates are just constantly asking, don't take my license away. So that's a testament in of itself.
If I didn't have Pluralsight, I would probably end up spending a lot more of my time as a manager figuring out how to help my developers learn, and Pluralsight fills that gap for me so that I can focus on other things.
Pluralsight provides us a really carefully curated path and thoughtfully created content that's really relevant to what we need to accomplish.
My favorite thing about Pluralsight is being able to keep track of the competency of my team members.
The fact that it's the best content that you can get out there on a platform that looks like it's the best platform out there, right? So it's beautiful to use and easy to use.
My favorite thing about Pluralsight is the analytics and administrative tools.
Using Pluralsight, I've been able to restructure the way we deliver our apprentice training.
If my team didn't have Pluralsight, I think that they would demand it.